Okay, hi, my name is Amanda. I have been the conversation assistant here at Volgut for this school year, and I'm on my way out but wanted to leave behind some American literature in the library here at the school. So I picked 4 of my favorite books that I think are very important to the American literary canon. So I will start with John Steinbeck's Grapes of Wrath. Steinbeck is one of our most famous writers for sure. This is a Pulitzer Prize winner. It's an amazing book, and it's also an amazing history lesson. It's about a time period in the US when the Great Depression and the Dust Bowl collided, so an environmental disaster with an economic disaster, caused a lot of farmers to lose their farms and have to migrate to the West. So you learn a lot about American history reading this book, and it's also just really beautifully written, so highly recommend. And we also have a Catalan version. But I do recommend, I know a lot of our students are very good at English and our teachers, so I think folks could read this one. It's a good one. The next one is my personal favorite book. It's The Haunting of Hill House. It is the first American haunted house story. It's by Shirley Jackson. It was written in the late 1950s. This one I think has one of the most beautiful opening lines in any book ever in the English language, so do come check it out if you speak English and want to test your English and see if you can understand the sentence. It's gorgeous. It is a horror book. It is very scary, but it's also a feminist text. It's really interesting. It's definitely really good literature, so I recommend that, and we do have it in Catalan as well. Then we have Toni Morrison. I don't think you can talk about American literature without talking about Toni Morrison. She's one of our most important modern writers. And this book is also a Pulitzer Prize winner. Beloved, it is set just after the American Civil War, so we'll also, again, get a chance to learn a little bit about American history reading this book. It is also a sort of haunted book. It's a book about a haunting of a type, but it's a haunting of the history of American slavery, the violence. So it is definitely a very heavy book, but it's, again, beautifully written. Toni Morrison is a very poetic writer, so really recommend this one. And then lastly, this is our only book that does not yet have a Catalan translation, so maybe someone can read it in English and do the translation themselves, would be great. It's a very important book in the American literary canon because it is the first Asian American book. It was written in the 1950s, published in the 1950s. And it is also a bit of a history lesson because it is written by a man who experienced the internment of Japanese Americans during World War II. And the book is about the aftermath of that internment, specifically for a young man who was sent to prison for refusing to serve the US Army while his family was interned, which is a thing that really happened. So you, again, will get a pretty good history lesson while also getting to read a really beautifully written story. So these are my recommendations for starting out with American literature, and I hope that folks at the school can enjoy them. Thank you so much.